Good morning. Um, I took a testimony from two uncles who come by 5:45 because the park opens at 5:45, and they ground a good 45 minutes in the cold grass filled with dew. And there were some people who had these apprehensions that when you walk on this cold uh, the grass which is cold filled with dew will catch a cold. In fact, it's how you condition. You start slowly, first you do it for 5-10 minutes, then you slowly increase it, and the more you uh, kind of expose your body to the natural surroundings and connect with that, the more your body will get used to it. As a child, you see, I said we were born barefoot, and mostly the children are barefoot when they're small. It's later on which we wear shoes, which is unnatural, correct? So the body gets used to wearing shoes, and that heat is trapped. That's what I'm trying to say. So when you come here and you remove your shoes and straight away get onto the grass, feel it for some time, experience it, that coolness, what is it that you're feeling, and then slowly increase it. So this is especially for those elderly people who feel that they've have that thing that thand pakad lenge, they'll get sinusitis and things. Try it slowly, go slowly, one day at a time, experience that feeling, and then take it from there. But don't create a mental block or believe what you have been believing at thand pakad. And that same thing we pass on to the children. Oh, wear the shoes. I did a video on how my barefoot runners from the lower strata of the society, they are not conscious and their body is totally conditioned. And I said in that book, Born to Run, by Christopher McDougall, it's how you condition your body, and our body is actually naturally conditioned to be naturally connected with the earth. So all of you try it out, and you just saw that uncle, he had immense relief from the pain, his leg pain and his back pain, and he's able to walk 13 kilometers without any problem now. So try it out, at least experience it. And it's not that I'm only saying it, it's people who are experiencing it, they are giving their testimony. Right from the month of July, which I started with my first friend Renuka, where her 20-year-old thyroid just vanished in 3 months, with grounding. So try it out, experience it, and then see the change and the relief that you get. Happy weekend, happy grounding.